So you're telling me instead of 200 people driving around the warehouse, all filling orders, you have people here that are filling thousands of orders in the same amount of time?
That's exactly right.
So Mario, you've clearly got a very upgraded system here. Tell us, prior to the upgrade and compared to now, how much easier is it for you and your team to fulfill orders using the new system than the old system?
Oh, it's much easier. It actually takes less time with less people.
I'm with Majid Jalalian, president of MSA Systems. Majid, welcome to the RFID network.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
So Majid, I understand that Agron has had MSA do a very significant upgrade to their entire operations. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Sure. Agron is a major distributor of consumer products. For us, this was a project that started with a very clear vision. We laid out a design for taking the company and its processes into a cohesive systems environment that could be very adaptable for adding new components in the future as business requirements change.
Would you mind taking us through the system in production?
You bet. I'd be happy to do that.
Excellent. Well, let's go take a look.
Sure.
So Majid, tell us, what is this?
This is the heart of the automation system here. It is called the pick-to-light system. It is a continuous picking process with conveyance that accomplish the movement of the boxes from one station to the next. The second that the product is requested, the light goes on, so the picker does not have to, number one, move away from their station, and number two, they essentially pick the product out of the right bin. So errors are eliminated, the speed is significantly improved, and there's no out-of-stock situation. Additionally, the solution itself, warehouse management software that's in place, is scheduling, anticipating down to what boxes are required for the final shipment before picking starts.
So Majid, what happens now?
So after the pickers have picked all the right items, the box automatically proceeds to this area where the packaging is applied.
All right, well, let's go take a look at the outbound then.
When they get to this station, there is readers that are constantly reading barcodes that are placed on the box and determining the order and the shipping staging area that's associated with this order for outbound shipments.
That's outstanding. What an amazingly more efficient process than driving around and filling up boxes.
Absolutely, absolutely.
So Majid, thank you so much for that excellent overview of the new system that's been put in place here at Agron.
Thank you, it's been a pleasure.
I'm with Mark Hernandez, Director of Customer Service with Agron. Mark, welcome to the RFID network.
Thank you.
So Mark, tell us a little bit about Agron.
Agron is the official licensee of Adidas accessories. We've seen our business grow substantially. Our retailers are getting more demanding, and orders are getting larger and larger, and we needed to have a solution to accommodate or handle the number of orders that we get each week, given the demands of the retailers. We weren't familiar with our RFID at the beginning. So we did some research and we reached out to one of our consultant groups, MSA, and they were able to take us through what is required, and we were able to implement an automation system that was very straightforward and very user-friendly and very simple to use.
So how have your customers been impacted by the upgrade?
They've been able to give us more orders for increased units, and we've been able to accommodate those requests, turn orders much quicker, and execute on the shorter timelines that they demand. I was actually very impressed with the short timeline that MSA took just to get everything programmed, formatted correctly, and ultimately set up to where we were printing labels, I would say was about a 4-week turnaround.
That's fantastic. Well, Mark, thank you so much for letting us come in and for sharing the results of upgrading your system.
Thank
We
you,
really
Louis.
appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you.
I'm with Saul Smith, President of Mesh Logistics. Saul, welcome to the RFID Network.
Thank you so much. Appreciate you having me here.
How would you say Agron's new operations are compared to some of the traditional picking operations you've seen at other facilities?
So Agron has made the transition to automation with conveyorization, pick-to-lights, and RFID and RF scanners for the tracking and visualization, if you will, of data. The natural consequence of automation is speed. Being able to respond as efficiently and as effectively as they now can do, their customers are going to be pleased with that. So turning to MSA, Agron was able to say, all right, we've got this issue. Frankly, it's your issue now. Good luck. And we need results. So MSA was comfortable in their experience and their ability to get the solution prepared and formulated.
Well, Saul, thank you so much for taking the time to talk to us today about the new system here at Agron.
You're welcome. Thank you.
That wraps it up for this edition of the RFID Network. If you'd like more information on any of the products you've seen, please visit us on the web at rfid.net. Thanks for watching.